Every spring, something magical happens in our woodlands. A blanket of blue appears on the forest floor. One of nature's most beautiful spectacles. The annual emergence of bluebells. These delicate flowers provide for an array of creatures, none more so than our pollinators. Bumblebees buzz through the sea of blue, landing on the bluebells before feeding on their sweet nectar, in turn pollinating the flowers as they go. But they aren't the only ones making the most of the bountiful bluebells. Muntjac deer, with their strong acid-resistant stomachs, are able to feast on the bluebells too. Muntjacs are capable of munching their way through large patches of bluebells, as they're the only deer species known to eat bluebells in the UK. As the day draws to a close, soon this stunning annual spectacle will be over for another year.